Twostrokefrenzy.
Alright, what's up everybody? It's early, it's cold. Got the bike strapped to the back of the Jeep here. We're headed to Outlaw. Gonna be some good hill climbs today. Hopefully get some good footage for you, so let's go. Alright, we're starting the morning right here. Yeah.
A little rough night.
Little maintenance going on.
30 plugs and a sidewall slide.
Yeah. Gotta keep it going. Alright, now we're doing some carb maintenance here. This thing's running rich, so we're gonna lean her out, see how she runs. Getting into it a little bit further. Got the tank off, gonna drop this needle. Clutch is not good, it needs replaced bad. Just send it. So we just had a bike blow up. One of the kids that we were riding with on this little like 65 or something, it just blew up on him, and lots of smoke everywhere. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna kill two birds with one stone, because my bike is really hard to ride, and this other guy here has got a utility quad he's gonna let me borrow for the day, so I can still get some footage for you guys and everything. But for now, see, I don't know if you can hear this, but this thing is not easy to ride. This bike is not being a good friend to me today. Here's my ride for the day. See how it goes. Dude, this thing is a freaking Cadillac, man. I feel like I'm driving a Lincoln Town Car through the woods. Definitely weighs a lot, so it's, you gotta throw the weight around quite a bit, but this is fun. All right, we've got the bike loaded up. We're gonna take it back. Oh, it didn't make it. It was looking pretty good. I gotta go up this hill. Whew. That was a little sketchy.
That motherfucker done been in that fucking way.
There you go. You're good. The other dirt.
Absolutely don't fucking.
Take that thing again. Huh? This is this hill. Hey, you can't park there, bud.
Yeah.
You getting out?
You picked the hardest line there ever has been.
Yeah, I know. I turned wrong.
You like
get him, get him, get him.
Turned.
So tell you what, today is not our day. My bike's not running good, and so I'm on this quad. We got Dan with Chaos Off-Road. He just broke a front axle, and then one of the kids just broke a, I guess the starter went bad on that, so it's not running. So we're gonna head back to the camp, see if we can fix these things up, keep riding. All right, so for some reason, this guy right here is letting me ride his RZR, and this thing is gnarly. Look at this thing. Yeah. Let's see how we do. Alright guys, this is crazy. This thing is really high off the ground, so it's kind of sketchy, but here we go. This is crazy. I need one about this thing is I can't see over the front end.